So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoga. In this video, I will guide you with how you can backup Windows 11. So first of all, click on the start icon on the taskbar. Now here search for backup. Now here you will see this option called Windows Backup. Press enter to open it. Now here select backup this PC. Click on next. Now here connect to the internet. Now here you will see all the options for backup. Select folders. Now here sign into your OneDrive account. And once you do this, you will see all the folders you can backup. Now after this, expand apps. And as you can see here, all the apps are backed up. Now here open settings. And here you will see all the settings backed up. Now here expand credentials. And here you will see all the credentials backed up. Click on continue. And this will start backing up your device. Now this might take a few minutes or even few hours depending on your data. So till then, minimize this window. So this way I can backup Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.